Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to find videos using hashtags on YouTube. Log into your YouTube account if you are not already logged in. In the YouTube homepage, you can find a search bar at the top of the page. Within the search bar, simply type the hashtag symbol followed by your desired search term. For example, if you are interested in cooking tutorials, you could type hashtag cooking tutorial. As you can see, there are over 70,000 videos from 17,000 channels for this hashtag. To refine your search further, you can even combine multiple hashtags. For example, you can add hashtag vegetarian next to it. YouTube will now show cooking tutorial videos which are vegetarian. This is how you can find videos using hashtags on YouTube. Thank you for watching.